wanted to stay off, but on for us now, our Weather Authority Chief Meteorologist Dan Cianca. Hey, Dan.
Hey, Aaron, you saw the sunshine in Santa Cruz today with Drew's story there, and we showed you the sunshine in Monterey from our Domenico's on the Wharf cam a few moments ago. This is what it looks like on the other side of the peninsula. The PacRep cam in CARMEL showing those low clouds very present in the forecast. A little last-minute June gloom to get you through the last day of the month before we head into the month of July. We also have a holiday on the way. Let's take a look at that weekend outlook. And the good news is if you like warm weather, it's going to be warm on the coast. So, well, we've got some nice warm weather to look forward to. Not quite as gloomy. Unfortunately, it's going to be hot and dry inland. And on top of that, the potential for some wind out there this weekend could lead to high fire danger. That is not what we want to see on the holiday weekend. But plan ahead. Warm temperatures expected across the region. We may still have a few low clouds on the coast, but I generally expect our highs to be above normal for this time of year. Out there today, skies mostly clear across the state. We look to the north, an area of low pressure will actually dive farther south, cooling us over the next couple of days. That means a deeper marine layer, potentially some low clouds at times throughout the day. And then this is the ridge of high pressure that will be building in that will warm us up as we head into the weekend. And as it builds in, expect that warm up both on the coast and inland with almost a northerly light offshore flow. But that light offshore flow could get gusty at times over the hills. So that is one concern as we head into the weekend. Till then, as I mentioned, low clouds on the increase into tonight with a bit of drizzle possible, I would suspect, on the south and east sides of the bay. We're likely to see drizzle at times as the marine layer deepens, and that's what I expect to happen tonight. So south and east sides of the bay, the most likely locations to see that, from Prunedale to Salinas and on over to Monterey. We wake up to low clouds into the interior valleys tomorrow morning and for all coastal areas. And then heading into the afternoon, the clouds will recede to the coast, but probably stay around as we head into the afternoon. On the south and east sides of the bay especially, places like Pacific Grove, Marina, Moss Landing likely to stay in the clouds for much of the day tomorrow afternoon. And we'll get a repeat performance of tomorrow's weather on Thursday as well. So a lot of the same thing. Most of us dropping 5 to 10 degrees. Into the Santa Cruz Mountains, you'll see highs in the 70s tomorrow. You could pretty much say that these will be your Thursday high temperatures as well. 67 in Santa Cruz, 65 in Capitola, maybe a little bit warmer on the north side of the bay Thursday afternoon. Over to Watsonville, 60s tomorrow. Same all up and down the east shore of the bay, even a little bit inland. Mid-60s, Prunedale to Salinas. We'll find the 70s into San Juan and Hollister, 80s in the Santa Clara Valley. Monterey tomorrow going to stay in the 60s as well. In fact, we barely will get out of the 50s in Pebble Beach with that onshore flow picking up in the afternoon. And down south in the Salinas Valley, we warm as we head away from the coast with highs in the mid-70s as you head into Greenfield, and above that in King City, and a few spots in the south away from that marine air in the 80s tomorrow afternoon. Looking over those next 7 days, temperatures a little cool for the next couple of days, but I've really warmed us up this weekend. I suspect we're going to be a little bit warmer than what I was seeing yesterday. So highs in the 70s on the coast. Some areas may approach the 80-degree mark this weekend, which is great weather. Unfortunately, that fire danger looks like it's going to be high. So one thing I'm watching this weekend, inland areas cool for the next couple of days. You're normal on Friday and then well above that as we head into Saturday and Sunday. Notice I've really increased our high temperatures this weekend. If you caught our 6 o'clock newscast yesterday, you saw that 4th of July icon on Sunday. It is on Saturday, in case you were wondering. I put it on the wrong day. So there you go. There's my correction.